Hello my lovely fibre friends, how are you? Welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today is the first Tuesday in June and we've been celebrating our Queen's Platinum Jubilee, 70 years on the throne. So today's giveaway kind of reflects that, guys. So as always, you get a little container of 10 stitch markers, you get a little notebook. Yeah, I'll be down in a minute, babe. That's Rick. Little swans. You get a little vial with some tapestry hooks. You get a pen, and you get this is a 4mm hook if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 4mm aluminium hook. So yeah, 4mm aluminium hook. And then, because I thought Independence Day is coming up for red, white and blue, and we have been celebrating the Queen's Jubilee, so that's red, white and blue as well. So we've got red, white and blue today. So you've got 100 grams of Deramores Anti-Pilling Studio, which is ultramarine. You've got poppy red, and that's again Deramores Essentials DK, which is really nice and soft. They're all 100 grams, guys, and they're all acrylic. This one has got 250 meters, 273 yards. This one's got 295 meters, 322 yards. And you've got a white of the same specs. These are all made in Turkey, guys, for Deramores, and you can still get Deramores yarn over at Love Crafts. So, what is the word that I want you to give me? But also, I need to run through some rules. Let me just put these out the way so I don't lose them. They don't go anywhere. Sorry guys. So, what have you got to do? You need to be 18 years and over. You must be subscribed to my channel, and I must be able to see that you are subscribed to my channel. I have done a video, a short video showing you how to make your subscribers public, and I will put that in the description box below. I am not responsible for any custom duties, taxes when this prize gets to you, the winnings get to you. I pay postage to you, but if you have to pay customs, then it's down to you to pay for that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is all purchased with my own money, and it starts today, the 7th of June. And it closes at 12 noon British Summer Time, which is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is 7 AM Eastern on the 24th of June. So that's when it closes. And then I'll announce the winner on the 28th of June. So the word that I want you to put is Jubilee. Jubilee, and I'll write the word here so you know what the word is. Write the word Jubilee in your comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can also share this video with your friends. Thank you to each and every one of you who always come back month after month to take part in the giveaways, who are subscribers, both my new subscribers, welcome and thank you for joining me, and of course to my long-standing subscribers. You all mean the world to me. So that's it from me. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye.